Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to remove a Google account from all other devices. From starters, removing an account is not the same as deleting it. Removing a Google account from phone device simply remove access from the particular device and it can be restored later on. So it is a good idea to back your device up before removing an account from an Android or iPhone. First, what you need to do is to select the three dots on your left upper side. Then you need to scroll down and select Settings. After that, select your Gmail. Then go on Manage your Google account. After that, scroll a little right and go on Security. Then scroll down and you will see your devices. Go on Manage Devices. Now, as you can see, here are all devices that you have used from your computer or from your laptop. And if you wanna log out from them, go on the third option and go Sign Out. You go Sign Out. Finished. But some apps might still have access, okay? Then go again on the Windows, Sign Out, okay. Now guys, we have done it. You have Sign Out from all other devices. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and leave a comment down below. Have a nice day and see you soon guys.